In today's session I am going to use a completely new strategy which will have two indicators, and this strategy is quite amazing and simple to use as well. It has shown me very good ratios so far, so today we will see how the market behaves on this strategy, and I will also try to explain to you in detail the technique of using it. So first I'm going to add and adjust the indicators. So first I need to add two moving average lines, and I need to change the settings for these as well, because I want to use 30-second candles. There is no need to make any changes to the second moving average line. After this I will also need a momentum indicator, so I will add that as well. And do not make any changes in this also, these settings are the best. After this, select the Heikin Ashi pattern. And set the candle timing to 30 seconds. And the expiry timing should be set to 1 minute 30 seconds. And here I will also set today's trade amount. So here I have successfully added the indicators. Now I will add some currency pairs. So here I have got the signal in the upward direction, as you can clearly see here that the white line has crossed the green line in the upward direction, which is a good bullish indication, but this is just one confirmation completed. I have not yet received any upward signal from the momentum indicator, so I will wait here for a while. So here the momentum indicator has also given an upward signal, but I need a third confirmation, and that is the movement of the candles, as here a strong upward movement of the candles is not visible. A shadow forms at the top, as if a small resistance has formed. So if this current candle shows strong bullish movement above it, then I will take an upward entry here. So here the bullish candle showed very strong movement, and I have placed a double entry here. So, 3 confirmations are necessary to place an entry. First, a cross should be formed in the moving average. Second, it is necessary to get the correct signal from the momentum indicator. And third, there should be a strong movement of the candle in the right direction. We will look at this in more detail later. And here the first entry has been easily successful. So, overall downtrend is going on here, and after a long uptrend, now the signal of starting downtrend is visible here, as the moving average line is making a cross in the downward direction. So the moving average line has made a downward cross, but the momentum indicator has not given any good signal yet. So I will wait a little more. So the momentum indicator is again pointing upwards instead of downwards. So now I cannot take entry here, because the upward movement has started again here. Here only a confirmation was received from the moving average, since I did not get a signal in the downward direction from the momentum. Entry is prohibited here. I avoid placing entries until all 3 confirmations are complete, and I also have to pay attention to support and resistance in every entry. So this time a good confirmation is visible in the downward direction, but this time some volatility is visible in the candles. The market is not as calm as last time. If the market is highly volatile, it may be difficult to place the entry at the right time. And talking about the confirmation, here the moving average line has made a downward cross. Now we just have to wait for the signal from the momentum indicator. And the momentum indicator has also given a good signal in the downward direction here, but I will place only one entry. So I have placed only one entry here, because my expiry timing is 1 minute 30 seconds, and there is a support nearby. If the market shows reversal from here, then my chances of winning the entry are less. so I decided to place just one entry. Unfortunately, my entry here has been lost. In a highly volatile market, there are more chances of placing the entry at the wrong place, hence I try to place the entry mostly in calm markets. So here's a great entry point. So here the moving average line has made a very nice cross in the upward direction. There is a strong upward movement in the candle as well, and the momentum indicator is also showing strong bullish signals, so I've taken triple entry here. Great, my entry here won. So here too there is a very good movement going on in the upward direction. And the moving average line has also made a very good cross in the upward direction, and along with this, bullish indication has been found in the momentum indicator, so all these confirmations show that there are more chances of the market rising. That's why I took an entry on the upside here. Excellent. My entry here has been successful again. So here too the market is showing strong downward movement by creating resistance, which is a good opportunity for selling entry, and also bearish signals have been received from both the indicators. So this time the amount has been refunded, because the market is at the entry point. I will look for another chart. In retrospect, my entry point should have been established earlier on this chart, because now the market has come up a bit. This cannot be the right entry point, but even after crossing both the moving averages, it is flowing upwards in a very strong manner, which shows a strong bullish situation. And the momentum indicator is also still indicating a strong upward movement. That is why I thought of placing an entry here. And I think my decision here may prove to be correct, because now the market has also gone up a lot after placing the entry. Very nice, my entry was successful again. The market is doing quite well today. After a long uptrend, the market has started a strong decline. Also, the moving average line has given a selling signal by making a downward cross in a very good manner. And these red candles formed in the momentum indicator are a good sign of market decline. I was seeing a situation of formation of reversal candle in the market. But by then my expiry time was over, and my entry was successful. So this is a very good entry here, as the overall movement of the market is in uptrend, and the market is moving up by forming support here, and at the same time the moving average and momentum indicator have also given bullish indications. When the overall market movement is in an uptrend, the market often sees reversals. And then the market starts moving upwards again by forming support of the previous resistance. So I think I may get another chance to place an entry in this chart. Since the momentum indicator is indicating a strong bullish situation, and the market is still flowing below this resistance, no strong movement has been seen in the market yet. But I'll just take one entry here. Excellent, I had 2 successful trades on this chart. So the strategy is quite amazing, and the strategy I have described works quite well. It would be a better idea to try it in the demo first. Did you find this strategy easy, or did you find something difficult in it? Let me know in the comments.